Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Snack time! Here you go. Better get a beer. Cheers, big ears. Well, gonna do some veal chops. Nice. These are in the cheap bin. Normally $11.14, $8.35. They're about 3/4 of a pound each. See what's going on with these fuckers, eh? Why are they cheap? Because they're expiring. That's why. So, a bastard like me can eat them. They look alright. Nice size to them. Right on. We'll wash these fuckers off and we'll get going. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. Veal is Vault Boy approved. Bring me your baby cows. Nom 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 nom. Alright, everything's all washed off and patted dry. Gonna do 2 different flavors. I got this new Lane's Q-Nami rub seasoning. Fucking $12 for that fucking thing. So we'll give her a whirl. Boys and girls, brothers, everybody's. I'm going to do it on one, and then just garlic powder and Montreal steak on the other. Pretty simple, basic snack time. First time trying this out. Smells alright. Veal is good. It's been a while since I made veal. Alright, good enough. Nice. A little bit of, what we got going here, wrong side. Bit of garlic powder on this baby. Come here, stay open, bitch. Good enough. Montreal steak spice. Or in this case, Montreal veal spice. These are going to be fucking good. So yeah, they're about 3/4 of a pound each. Nice. Plain and simple. I'll go out and fire up some charcoal and get the barbecue good and hot. Excellent. Basic. Plain and simple. Snack time. Okay, you get the fucking idea, don't you? Cheers, big ears. Alright. So, we'll fire up some charcoal. I'll be back. RTFO. Howdy ho, bitches. Alright. It's been about an hour since, an hour and 15 minutes since I put the charcoals in. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. RTFO, mofos. Let's see what we got going on. We got a couple of spuds in here. They should be good to go. Got some fresh Ontario asparagus, a little bit of garlic and salt, butter, pepper. Alright, we got Montreal steak spice and the Lane's Q-Nami. Let's give her shit, eh? What do you think? Come here, you. Nice. Come on. Loafage. There you go. Woo! Beer. Where's my beer? Cheers, big ears. 27th of May, 2018. Finally, warm weather. Consistent warm weather. Okay. Beer. Beerage. Woo! Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. Probably about 4. Too long. I ended up doing something else. So, these are going to be overdone. Come here, you. Flipperoo. That fat's coming off. Get back there, fat. You're good. Oh well. Stay there. Okay. Alright. Come back here. Okay, I even lost my beer. Again. Alright. Got it. Cheers, big ears. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. These are going to be overdone, but I don't really give a shit. Snack time. Beer time. Smells great. Smells really good. Okay. You are Montreal. You are Lanes. Gonna go and just lightly tent these for a couple of minutes, and we'll be back. RTFO. And, you know. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Howdy ho, bitches. Got my potato happening. Oh, I need some fucking sour cream. I don't know. I got stuff on the go here. Stuff on the brain. It ain't working right today. It's the 27th of fucking May, 2018. There you go. There's already butter and Hugo Chavez and salt and pepper on that potato. And some fucking sour cream in there, eh? How about that? Biatch. Put some more Hugo Chavez in there too. Fresh chives. There you go. There. Have that. Have a nice day. Alright. Beer. Oh, there's beer there. Good. So we'll drink some. Alright. We're going to try the Lanes veal chop, which is going to be overdone, but I don't care. Hey, for $4 each, these are pretty fucking good. A lot of juice there happening there. Nice. Alright. Cover this baby back up. That's for a midnight snack. The Montreal Steak Spice one. I'm not going to try that one because I know what it tastes like already. Okay. Be gone, platter. Be gone with you. What else do we need? We need some of these. Oh. That smells like asparagus. Aspergrass. There you go. Don't mind the elbow. Some butter and garlic and everything in there. Pour that right in there. Fucking mosquitoes are retarded up there. Bastards. Okay. Go away. Fuck off. Knife and fork. I got a fork right here. Alright. See what's happening. Oh, this guy, look at that. Come here. Didn't have any spice on that. Little chunk on the side. Let's try these fresh Ontario asparagus. Berry Hill Farms, just up the road. That's my first feed of asparagus. Fucking right. My pee's gonna smell funny. Woo! Alright. Let's cut this bitch open, shall we? Of course, too well done. It's alright. I knew it was gonna be. But it's gonna taste fucking good. Well, hopefully. This is the Lanes. Haven't tried this. Q-Nami. Interesting. Not super exciting, but it's quite tasty. Don't think it was worth $12 fucking dollars, $11.99. Okay. Let's try this baby out. Yeah. It's good, the Q-Nami, but not overpowering with any certain flavor. It's nice. Okay, another bit of asparagus. Let's try this fucking potato out, shall we? Fucking A. Look out. Here's some potato goodness. Hugo Chavez, butter, sour cream. Fuck me. That's fucking great. Hello. Oh yeah. Okay. You know how it goes, bitches. This is fucking great. Well, hey, summer's almost here. Snow a couple of weeks ago. Unbelievable. Fuck me. That's fucking great. Okay, last piece of that. I gotta take some drugs. Cheers, big ears. I got a pill to take. 2. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. This is the end. My friend. The only end. Well, I will finish this, but I gotta finish this video first. So, as per usual, at this time, at this place, at this very moment, it's time for a tea. And today, again, our tea is Freedom 35. Trailer Park Boys Lager, bitches. Woo! MMT. Come on, buddy. HMB. I'd like to get you some of this stuff, too. I'm working on it. Alright. KB. I got you covered, buddy. It's coming. Just wait for it. Pretty soon. Woo! Freedom 35. Drink up, buttercup. Ah, fuck yeah. Oh, and this is just a snack time video. Cure the Munchies bastard style. I don't know what number. Not a how-to. Because don't do it this way, because you'll overcook it. Because I had something else in my mind. But everything else is done perfectly. And it tastes amazing. But, you know, as they say in Quebec, shit happens, huh? Alright? There you go. RTFO, mofo.